Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make Maha Shivratri special status video design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will be making a vertical video for this design. So I will be choosing Instagram Reel as my canvas. Okay. So after opening the canvas, as you can see, it is a duration line which is showing here because I want to make a video here. So first I will change the background to a dark color and preferably the black color. Okay, and after that I will write here text and I will put the text of this Shivratri date. So I will choose add a heading here and I will write 26 Feb 2025. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it and change the font to Leaks Spartan, and both of them I will change. Okay, and after that here I will write in the second line a very special day. Okay, and I will make the size of the letters smaller, font size. I'll keep it as 64. Okay, and after that I will change the color of this text. So for that I will go to text color and here I will scroll down to yellow and change it to a brighter yellow here. And for the next one I will use a light blue color. Okay, and I will go to effects and click on neon for both of them, intensity to 100. Okay, and when it is done I will just put it just below the 26 Feb date, and after that I will go to elements and here I will search for elements and here I will write Trishul. Okay, and here I will choose the first graphics and just make it smaller and crop the upper part. Okay, and keep it right here. Okay, and after that select all of them by clicking Ctrl+A on the keyboard and just drag it in the middle. Okay, so first slide here is done. Now I will just select all of them again and go to animate here and choose the animate for here. So blur effect looks good here, and I will keep the speed as low as possible so that the blur effect looks best here, and animate will be on enter. Okay, and after that when it is done I will just click on add page and go to elements. Here I will write glow lights and I will come to videos now, and here I will click on this and write vertical and click on vertical so that I get only the vertical videos, and I will use this video. Okay, and I will right click it and set replace as background, which is I am setting it as background, but make sure the trimming is done and the trimming will be of 2.5 seconds. I will use only that part and not more than that. Click on done. Okay, and now I will go to the first page again and just click it here, copy it and paste in the next page. Okay, and I will write here Maha, then in the next line Shivratri. Okay, so after writing this I will change the color to the same blue color which I used in the last slide and use it here, and change the Shivratri size to a bit bigger. Okay, so this one looks good, and I will middle it and use it here, and in this first slide also I will make it a slightly upwards. Okay, and I will click on add page. Okay, so after that I will just come here and clear all my selections, and here I will write Mahadev in circle. Okay, and I will go to graphics and use this one and change the color to the golden color or the yellow color which I used and make it bigger so that it covers whole of the canvas. Okay, and now I need to just rotate it to create a good animation here. I will go to animate and scroll down so that I find rotate here, and I will just slow it down so that it looks good, and I will check on the animation here. As you can see, it is looking good. Slightly increase the speed so that it looks better. Okay, and after that I will come here again, and in the elements I will search here mandala and go to graphics again, scroll down to find the borderline mandalas. So I will use this one, zoom it, make it bigger, and change the color to the same yellow color. Okay, and now I will just duplicate it and flip it, flip vertical, and just paste it in the above layer. So that it covers the canvas here. So our third slide is also done. Now I will use some image of Lord Shiva which I just uploaded here, and you will also be able to upload the same when I share you with the website. So this is the website which is pixabay.com, and you can download all the royalty free images from here. And here, as you can see, it is a login button or a join button, but you don't have to log in here to download the images. You can just download it without the login part. So I will type in here Shiva, and I will create all the images which I need here, all for absolutely free. And you just click on any image and click on download, and in the drop down menu you can find several dimensions. Whichever dimension you like, you just download. I feel that this 1076 cross 1920 is the best dimension for all the images here, as we are using the dimension of 1080 cross 1920, and it is quite similar to that, so we can use the same. So I will click on add page and add the images one by one. Okay, so now is the time to add the transition part. So I will click on add transition and click on flow for the first one. For the second, I will click on match and move. For the third, I will click on dissolve, and so on. I will just replace it one by one so that it looks best for me. And make sure you are not using the same animation or the same transition here so that the effect looks best. So this one is done. Now we will work on the timing part, and for this I will go to timing here and I will select 1.5 seconds and apply to all pages. Okay, and let's see how the animation turns out. So this is the tutorial which is ready, and you can use the same for your designs. Hope you like this tutorial and you learned something out of it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.